618, let's get into it. In data by system, within the Purehue data section, we have made a lookup table. We have an explanation of our magic numbers right here. Here is our number line of Purehues, our Hue 1530 values. And here we're going to convert a 3-bit binary value to a hue. So that 3-bit binary value represents if the red, green, or blue channels is turned on. If all of the channels are turned off, then our hue is 0. And if all the channels are turned on, then our hue is 1530 minus 1. It's the last thing. So this is red, and this is kind of red 1 point towards magenta. Anyways, this value and this value are kind of meaningless because all completely black and completely white, they both have no color. Nothingness and everythingness are the same. So here we have the different fence post colors, right? So this binary represents either a primary or secondary color. And here is where that primary or secondary color is on the number line here. Okay, so down here, we're going to air check our code, make sure that everything is correct. So this table here is just a shorthand reference to the table we were just going over. And then down here in the Purehue function section, within RGB to Hue 1530, we're done. So all we do is some debugging here, make sure that our values are in the correct range, and then we're going to alias maxibin to bin3 RGB, and we're going to do bin3 RGB converted to Hue 1530, and this gives us an anchor point like fence post color on our number line of hues. And from this anchor point fence post, we'll add the lean vector and we'll get our output hue. Now, if our hue goes negative, we will wrap back around. We'll return the hue here. So now we can convert RGB to a hue value. Here's what we did previously. Here's some footnotes and stuff. Here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation of my math, you can go here to Ninja Coder. You are here on Kanji Coder. If you just want technical demos, go here. Source code is here. Ways to get hold of me are down here. I am Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch in JavaScript using C99 style and a lot of data-oriented design principles. So like and subscribe if you want to see how to make an engine from complete scratch.